amici. Good morning, friends. I'm in the airport of Eindhoven in Netherlands. I came here for several days to visit my sister. She lives here not far from Eindhoven, and after we will spend some days with her, I will go to Amsterdam to spend a couple of days with my husband because he comes there for work. So I want to take you with me on this short trip in Netherlands. Yay! Hello!
Volgende halte. Station.
A little update. We are here having lunch, but the sad story is that I've lost my coat, one of my favorite coats. I don't know where. We were trying to find it, but nothing. I hope maybe someone will bring it to Lost and Found of the bus station or airport, because I have no idea where I've lost it. Not the best start of the trip, but it happens. That's a really funny cup. Oat milk cappuccino. This was the house, the villa of Anton Philips, one of the founders of Philips company. Very demure, very cutesy. So, the recent updates. We're now walking around it's technical university, right? It's one of the biggest technical universities in Eindhoven. It's all very nice around, but the sad news is that we walked again on the path where I could lose my coat and still nothing. And we went to Lost and Found. They didn't find nothing, so probably I need to say goodbye to this beautiful coat. I hope not. I will try also to call to Lost and Found in the airport, but my hope is going away, to be honest. Hey sis. So this is the university from which my sister is graduated. It's because she studied IT. And what's the name of this university?
Fontes University.
Fontes University.
Of Applied Sciences. So there is a technical university that we saw before.
Yeah.
That's more like a research university. And this is if you want to get more hands-on approach in your profession. So you don't want to go really into science, but you want to go really
something
into coding.
Practical. Yeah.
Yeah, something practical. And you would go to Applied Sciences. It's considered a little bit easier, especially after my first research bachelor. I wanted to go for something easier.
Because my sister got bachelor degree first in IT, also in Russia, in one of the most important universities. That is called ITMO. That's I know that the teams from ITMO won many worldwide, how it's called?
Programming and algorithmic competitions.
Yeah, competitions. Yeah.
And this is my second bachelor degree.
Looks cool. I like this
is
theater.
Just a parking lot.
It's just a parking lot. Yeah, but I mean this one looks interesting.
Yeah, there's gonna be a lot of glass in these buildings.
Yeah.
For a lot of lights to be in the classrooms.
So my sister tells that this is exactly the campus where she studied before. I like how it looks. I like the mix of wood, glass and steel.
There are also like houses that are joined, so you have one house and like it's
Several,
yeah.
I see.
That's in a lot of cases. Yeah.
Привет. Привет, Снипси. Ciao, Снипси. Снипси. Snippy. I'm in paradise.
They are like that, and here Fini is like, yes, belly rubs for the trauma.
It's not so easy to understand that you need to link.
These two understand it very well.
So I wanted to show you that my sister also has a small business, and she's doing 3D printing of these props. I don't know how to call them.
Look here, I'm gonna pick one up
from
the printer.
Like the horns for cosplay.
Oba.
This one is for Pikachu, and she prints it on the 3D printers and looks really cool. So if you love cosplay and you're looking for some props also, I don't know, maybe for Halloween, something like this, I will leave you the link for all these beauties. My sister has the coolest room with some very funny things. She tells that this reminds her of Rush.
It's creepy.
Yes. And this is all her cosplay costumes. It's very fun. Посмотри, он уже начал делать форму.
Да. Теперь он будет ее заливать.
Да? Ну да. Мама, это мы твои дети. So funny waiting for us. Because they are not allowed to go upstairs. Good morning, friends. It's the next day and we are going to the bus station because now we are in Eersel. It's called Eersel, yes? Yep. This town is called Eersel. It's not far from Eindhoven and we need to go to Eindhoven. We will have a breakfast there. We'll see some museums. I think we will see the Philips Museum, right? Mm-hmm. So I will show you all the highlights of this day. My sister tells that it looks like the garbage day is coming. It's the day when everyone exposes their garbage to be collected. Yeah, да, может, мое пальто. We arrived to Eindhoven and my sister told that we can see the market after the breakfast, and she told maybe someone is already selling your coat at this market. I hope not. I really want to find it. I think later I will make a TikTok about it. Maybe the power of TikTok will help me to find my coat in Eindhoven. Now we arrived to the area of Eindhoven that is called Stripe S, as my sister tells, and I see that they copied our Bosco Verticale that we have in Milan. We have like two famous buildings made like this with large balconies and trees on them, and they have some kind of copy here. That's scrambled egg with feta and pita and some sauce. My sister took small version of it. It's nice there, here. Я уже перепутала. And now it's time for chai latte. It smells so spicy, I can't imagine the taste. That is a really funny thing. We're still in this area, the modern one that was like ex-industrial area, and they made small stores from the containers. That's funny. In general, it's an interesting area. I like it. And that was the old Philips industry. It all was some factories, yes, some factories, but now they made like modern urban area here. We're in the Museum of Philips, and here's the history of the foundation of this company. Here are the Röntgen, radio and TV first prototypes. Philips is a very interesting company. They produce a lot of very different products to direct consumer and also to companies.
Af en toe zoeken wij van die lijn. Glazen ballonnen van de lamp worden niet hier gemaakt. Die komen van de fabriek uit Duitsland. Daarna halen we een stuk van de hals weg.
Это радио, да? This is some different kinds of radio. Some old TV. This is the funny story of how one of the sons of Philips went to Russia to sell the light bulbs, and he sold 50,000 candle lamps to Winter Palace in St. Petersburg, and at the factory they didn't believe him about the number, so they asked the confirmation by telegram, and this is a telegram where he wrote in 3 languages to confirm that he sold so many light bulbs to Russia.
Later sloot jij, beste Anton, ook aan en nam je de verkoop voor je rekening. Vanaf dat moment gingen de zaken steeds beter.
Allemaal dankzij de kwaliteit van jouw producten, mijn waarde broer.
We wonder why these robots have such big lips. They had some fetish for lips, for sure, these engineers. Christmas is coming. Какой объедок чисто. That is very big. Like it's like 5 times bigger than my hand. Good morning, friends. We arrived to Amsterdam. You can see we're near the central station with my sister. I put my bags in the hotel because my husband also arrived to Amsterdam. And now we are going to see a cats museum. Our family are big cat lovers, so it's very fun to go and see also the cat museum. My sister told me that it's very cute. It has some objects dedicated to cats, but also it has live cats that walk around it. So I will, if I can film there, I will show it to you. I think I have some cat lovers also in my audience. I'm not sure if you see it, but actually this upper part of the house is just falling on one side, and still they keep it like this. It's a bit scary. Look how cute is this yard. It's also part of the cats museum. I like it, very cozy. I've noticed that all the retro posters, they really loved black cats because they look very elegant. We saw the cat museum. It's quite small, but it's nice. First of all, because the building itself is very antique and beautiful inside. So if you like cats, you like retro posters, art and so on, you will appreciate it. And now we're going to have lunch. It's a bit late, so many places are closed, so it wasn't easy to find a nice place that is still open because it's 3 p.m. Also because I'm vegetarian and I need some vegetarian options. The funny thing is that me and my sister, we noticed that Amsterdam is maybe the only place in Netherlands where people are crazy. I mean, there are many nervous people who do some strange stuff. Maybe it's connected with all the legalized stuff in Amsterdam, but still, I also noticed that it's a bit hectic, and also the bicycles are driving just crazy. I think they can kill you on the road. I really love tulips. If I had a garden, I would buy everything here to make a very colorful blooming garden. Good morning, friends. I'm in Amsterdam. I came to take a matcha in the bar near our hotel and to work a bit, and then I will go to some dermatological fair, let's say, to see some stands. I worked a bit in the bar, and now I'm going to the metro to go to that Fiera, like I don't know how, expo center. And I want to tell what I'm working on now. Actually, this autumn and winter, until the end of December, I'm going to participate in many markets, vendor markets in Milan, and I was booking all the events. It's not so easy to get them, so you need to be very quick to get a place. I must say that metro, subway as you call it, in Amsterdam is very nice, clean and efficient. It was really easy to arrive to this Congress Center and like Fiera, how it's called, I forget. So I had a deep working session in my hotel room because I needed to send the emails for the markets. To book everything right, I had to start new ads for my online store and some other organizing tasks. So now I'm going to walk a bit in the center of Amsterdam and maybe have some snacks and do some work at the bar again. Look how funny that the houses in Amsterdam are all like not so straight. Look how beautiful it is. Super beautiful. All these flowers and pumpkins. Amazing. And this is the famous like boats, houses on the water in Amsterdam. People actually live there all year round.
Love to take a thumbnail photo with the Nikon Z30 and the photo.
And now I'm going to the dinner. I will meet there my husband because he was working until late and he will come there from the Congress.
Ci voleva quello di Viareggio, fra 30 euro abbiamo mangiato.
Free.